Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March is a global event dedicated to recognizing and honoring the achievements of women in various fields social, cultural, economic, and political. It is a day to acknowledge women's contribution to society, history, and development. Advocate for gender equality and violence against women. Celebrate progress in women's rights while looking for the challenges that remain. Pursue to inspire the future generations of women to break the barriers and pursue their dreams. She's not a whisper, she's the roar, breaking the chains, unlocking the door. She weaves her dreams with threads of fire, turning her struggles into a choir. No mountains high, no rivers wide can dim the fire she holds inside. She stands for justice, love, and grace with endless power. Time can't erase. She walks through storms yet stands so high. Her courage rises after every fall. She builds, she leads, she dreams, she dares. Through trials and struggles, still she cares. She's art, she's poetry, she's the love that fills the heart. Her beauty is strength, her grace is wise. A woman is limitless as the skies. A mother, a daughter, a sister, a friend, a warrior whose strength will never ever end. Every woman who awakens courage within herself is Durga. Every woman who awakens transformation within herself is Kali. Every woman who awakens devotion within herself is Parvati. Every woman who nurtures within herself is Annapurna. And every woman who awakens Shiva within herself is Shakti. A very happy Women's Day to all the beautiful women. हे नारी तू काली है तू दुर्गा है तू नारायणी जगदम्बा है एक नन्हा सा राही जीवन पथ पर जब अपने कदम रखता है हे नारी तेरी मामरता का अमृत उसके देह का रक्त बन जाता है हे नारी इस पूरे सृष्टि के मानव तेरी ही आंचल में जीवन पाता है और फिर तेरा ही जीवन नष्ट कर देता है हे नारी तू इतनी पावन जैसे कृष्ण की मुरली तू अबला नहीं सबला है जैसे झांसी की रानी हे नारी तू काली है तू दुर्गा है तू नारायणी जगदम्बा है हे नारी अब जाग महिषासुर मर्दिनी का रूप धर और अपने स्वरूप की रक्षा स्वयं कर यहाँ द्रौपदी के चीरहरण पर अब कोई कृष्ण नहीं आने वाले तू खुद अपना चीर समेट और दुष्टों का संहार कर हे नारी अपने हक के खातिर अपने स्वरूप के खातिर अब तो जाग हे नारी तू काली है तू दुर्गा है तू नारायणी जगदम्बा है हे नारी तू काली है तू दुर्गा है तू नारायणी जगदम्बा है